George the gecko lived in a beautiful rainforest, full of lush green leaves and colorful flowers. One day, George noticed a seed falling from a tall tree. He was curious and decided to help it grow. He carried the seed to his home, found a pot, and carefully planted it with the help of his friend, a wise old bird named Oliver. They watered the seed every day, and waited with patience. Days turned into weeks, and soon, a small green sprout appeared. George and Oliver cheered with joy. They watched as the sprout grew into a small, strong plant, then a towering tree, with leaves that shimmered in the sunlight. The tree was so tall that it reached the top of the rainforest, and its leaves were the most vibrant green anyone had ever seen. George and Oliver were so proud of their creation. They spent their days under the tree, sharing stories and laughter with the other animals who came to visit. But one day, a storm swept through the rainforest, shaking the tree vigorously. George and Oliver were scared, but the tree held strong. The storm passed, and the sun came out, shining brightly on the tree. George and Oliver realized that their tree was not just a plant, but a symbol of their friendship and determination. From that day forward, George and Oliver became known as the protectors of the rainforest, always looking out for the welfare of their home and its inhabitants. And the tree they planted continued to grow, a testament to their friendship and the power of caring for something with love. The end.